Tonight, former FBI Director James Comey has been indicted. It comes just days after President Trump demanded the Department of Justice move now to prosecute certain political enemies. ABC's Jacqueline Lee has the latest.
A federal grand jury in Alexandria, Virginia tonight indicting former FBI Director James Comey. The 64-year-old is being charged on 2 of 3 counts sought by prosecutors. 1 count of making false statements and 1 count of obstruction of justice. Sources tell ABC News this comes just days after President Trump issued a public demand for his Justice Department to act now to bring prosecutions against Comey and other perceived political foes. On orders from President Trump, the new U.S. Attorney for Eastern Virginia, Lindsay Halligan, urged a grand jury to indict former FBI Director James Comey. Halligan was once one of the president's personal lawyers, sworn in earlier this week. Trump saying he hoped Halligan would get things moving. Sources telling ABC News Trump forced out her predecessor for failing to bring charges against several of his political enemies, including Comey.
We have to act fast. If they're not guilty, that's fine. If they are guilty or if they should be charged, they should be charged. And we have to do it now.
Halligan is an insurance lawyer who has never prosecuted a case. Earlier this week, prosecutors presented Halligan a memo recommending Comey not be charged with a crime, saying there was not enough evidence. In a statement tonight, Halligan writes, "The charges as alleged in this case represent a breach of the public trust at an extraordinary level." FBI Director Kash Patel writing, "No one is above the law." Comey responding tonight on Instagram.
My heart is broken for the Department of Justice, but I have great confidence in the federal judicial system, and I'm innocent. So let's have a trial.
The investigation stems from Comey's 2020 congressional testimony about Russian interference in the 2016 election. The government argues Comey committed perjury, lying under oath and saying he doesn't remember an alleged intelligence document or leaks to the media.
Did you open an investigation?
I don't know what that refers to. As I said earlier, that does not ring any bells with me when I read that.
The statute of limitations to indict Comey would have run out next week. Jacqueline Lee, ABC News, Los Angeles.